First, go to ChatGPT and generate your story idea. You can type a simple prompt like, "Write a motivational story for kids," or anything you like. Once your story is ready, copy the full text.
Next, open Google Gemini and click on Storybook. Now, paste the story you just copied. Gemini will automatically create your storybook with pages, images, and text. I've already generated mine, and you can see how beautifully it turns into a full storybook. Once your storybook is ready, take screenshots of every page. Make sure each screenshot is clear and includes both the picture and the text. Now, open the PDF24 Creator or PDF24 Launcher. Drag all your screenshots into the workspace. Arrange them in the correct order, then click Create PDF. In just a few seconds, your full storybook PDF will be ready. Finally, you can record your screen or make a slideshow of your storybook PDF to create a story video, just like this. Add some soft background music, your narration, and you're done.
And full of dreams.
And that's
Their
it.
biggest wish was to
You've
shine
just
beside the
created
great
your
moon,
own
so that everyone on
AI-generated
Earth could see
storybook
them.
from start to
But
finish.
there was one problem.
If you
Enchanting
found this
ended
tutorial
with the
helpful,
smallest
don't
stars
forget
in
to
the sky.
like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!